Hello everyone, welcome to part 8. Now let us learn 10 words, 10 useful words in English Malayalam. Okay, let us begin. കൃത്യമായി, exactly. കൃത്യമായി, exactly. ചീത്ത, bad. ചീത്ത, bad. ചെറിയ, small. ചെറിയ, small. വലിയ, big. വലിയ, big. നല്ല, good. നല്ല, good. Next one, ഒറ്റയ്ക്ക്, alone. When it is used as an adverb alone, it is ഒറ്റയ്ക്ക്. And when alone is used as adjective, it is ഏകാഗിയായ. ഏകാഗിയായ is an adjective. When it qualifies a noun, it is ഏകാഗിയായ. Next one, many is a determiner, which means ധാരാളം. Next one, seldom. So you might have heard about the proverb, barking dogs seldom bite, which means seldom here, ദുർലഭമായി. Seldom, ദുർലഭമായി. Next one, a preposition after, which means പിന്നെ. Preposition after, പിന്നെ. Next one, further. So we had about further education. So here, further, പിന്നെയും in Malayalam. Further, പിന്നെയും.